Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I want to show us how we can decompose this into partial fraction easily. Alright, solution. We have x squared plus 1 over x minus 2, x plus 2. Right, so now we can write it as x squared plus 3 equals to a over x minus 2 plus bx plus c over s squared plus 3. Alright, so the reason why I decomposed it into this is because the denominator is a product of a linear factor, which is x minus 2, and a quadratic factor, which is s squared plus 3. So once you have the denominator to be a linear factor and a quadratic factor, we are going to decompose it into this. Right, so from here we're going to find the LCM of this. So we write s squared plus 1 over x minus 2 s squared plus 3 equals to the LCM of this is still x minus 2 s squared plus 3. Then we're going to multiply this with this and this with this. So we have a multiplying s squared plus 3 plus we have bx plus c multiplying this x minus 2. Okay, so now from there, the denominator is equals to this. We can equate the denominator, then we have s squared plus 1 equals to this. So we have s squared plus 1 equals to a s squared plus 3 plus bx plus c x minus 2. Right, so let's open these brackets. S squared plus 1 equals to a times s squared will give you as squared. A times 3 will give you 3a. Then we expand this. Bx times x will give us bx squared. Bx times 2 will give us minus 2bx plus c times x will give us plus cx, and lastly plus c times minus 2 will give us minus 2c. Okay, now we can rearrange this by collecting like terms. So we have s squared plus 1 equals to, we have as squared, then we have bs squared, put them together. Then we have plus cx, and we have minus 2bx. They are like terms because we have x, and we put 3a and minus 2c together. Alright, so these have s squared. The common term here is x. Alright, so now let's factorize it. What's the common term here? S squared. Then we have a plus b for this. And for this, what's the common term? The common factor is x. Then we have c minus 2b plus, then we put this together, 3a minus 2c. Alright, from there we can see that we have s squared, we have x, and we have this to be constant. But at the left hand side, we have s squared. We are going to write this as s squared plus 0x. There is no x here, but we're going to create x by writing the coefficient to be 0, because 0 times x will equal 0, and then we're going to write the constant 1. Right, and then we can write this again, s squared a plus b plus x c minus 2b plus 3a minus 2c. Right, so we're going to compare both sides. We're going to compare both sides. It means s squared is equals to this. So we have s squared is equals to s squared a plus b. That's the first one. Then let's equate this to this. We have 0x equals to x c minus 2b. And then the last one, the constant 1, equate it to this. We have 1 equals to 3a minus 2c. Okay, now we can divide. S square here 1, S square is 1, so we have here 1 equals to a plus b, and then this x cancel x, so we have 0 equals to c minus 2b, and the last one we still have 1 equals to 3a minus 2c. Right, so we say this is equation 1, equation 2, and equation 3. Now from the second equation, from here, from equation 2, which is c minus 2b equals 0, from this, let's make c solid with the formula. What is c? C is equals to, if you bring minus 2b to that side, it becomes plus 2b. Right, so we can call this equation 4. This is equation 1, equation 2, equation 3. We can call this equation 4. So now we can substitute, solve for c in equation 3. Equation 3 has c in equation 3. That is, anywhere you see c in equation 3, you write 2b. What is equation 3? It's 3a minus 2c equals to 1. That is the equation 3. So anywhere you see c, you write 2b. So we have 3a minus 2, what is c? 2b equals to 1. Okay, so from there, it means 3a minus 4b equals to 1. Right, so this is another equation, and we can call this one equation 5. We can call this equation 5. Alright, so from the first equation, from equation 1, let's make a the solid of the formula. Equation 1, remember, says that a plus b is equals to 1. That is what equation 1 gives us. And then we can make a solid of the formula from here. So a is now equals to 1 minus b. Okay, so from equation 1, we have made a solid formula. And it means that we can solve for a in equation 5. In equation 5, we have 3a minus 4b equals to 1. And then we have made a solid formula in equation 1. We can solve for a in equation 5. Okay, and what is equation 5? Equation 5 is 3a minus 4b equals to 1. Anywhere we see a, you write 1 minus b. Okay, so we have 3a is 1 minus b minus 4b equals to 1. If you open this bracket, 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times b is 3b minus 4b equals to 1. So now we bring this, take this 3 to that side. We have minus 3b minus 4b. That is minus 7b equals to 1 minus 3. So we have minus 7b equals to minus 2. Right, so divide both sides by minus 7. So it means b equals to minus 2 over minus 7. And that gives b to be 2 over 7. It means our b is 2 over 7. Then let's find a and c. Okay, so remember from equation 1, we say a equals to 1 minus b from equation 1. And then since our b is 2 over 7, we can write a equals to 1 minus 2 over 7. And then 2 over 7 is same thing as 5 over 7. Okay, so a equals 5 over 7. 1 minus 2 over 7, S7, 7. How many 1 can you see? 7. 7 minus 7 in 7 is 1 times 2 is 2. And then it gives us 5 over 7. And that is a. Now finally, let's find c. To find c, let's use one of the equations that says that c is equals to 2b. Okay, one of the equations says c equals to 2b. Let me show us the equation where we have c equals to 2b. That is equation 4. Okay, that is equation 4 that says c equals to 2b, and that is what we can use to find our c. Now, and you know what our b is? Our b is 2 over 7. So 2 multiplied by b is 2 over 7. finally our C is 4 over 7. Okay, so we know what our A is, 5 over 7, our B is 2 over 7, and our C is 4 over 7. Now, let's put it into partial fraction. We say x squared plus 1 over x minus 2, x squared plus 3 is equals to a over x minus 2 plus bx plus c over x squared plus 3. Right, so now what is our A? Our A is 5 over 7. So here we're going to write 5 over 7. That is our A. Then we write x minus 2 plus what is our B? Our B is 2 over 7. 2 over 7x plus what is C? 4 over 7. Everything over x squared plus 3. Okay, our 7 will come down. Our 7 will come down. We have 5 over 7 multiplied by x minus 2 plus the 7 is also common here, denominator, so it can come down. We have these 2x plus 4 over the common factor, which is 7. Then we have x squared plus 3. Okay, so it means when we resolve x squared plus 1 over x minus 2, x squared plus 3 into partial fraction, we get this, which is our final answer. Okay, guys, now let's try this. Let's resolve this into partial fraction. We have 2x squared plus 3x plus 5 over x plus 1, x squared plus 4. Okay, now let's resolve this into partial fraction and drop our answer in the comment section. Okay, guys, don't forget to like, comment, share, and if you have not subscribed to this channel, please and please do subscribe. See you next time.